Hey tech lovers! Is the Dyson V15s Detect Submarine the ultimate cleaning machine, or a messy surprise? With laser-guided dust detection, powerful suction, and a mopping head that some say marks its territory, let's dive into the good, the bad, and the downright hilarious. Let us start with its performance. Many users have praised its exceptional cleaning performance, particularly on hard floors. The vacuum's powerful suction and the innovative fluffy Optic head, which uses a green laser to reveal hidden dust, have been highlighted as standout features. Its dual functionality has been among the topics in the latest days in tech area. Many users appreciating the convenience of vacuuming and mopping simultaneously. Whether it's a thick, almost dry food spill, muddy boot prints, or just a regular mop of your hard floors, the Submarine can handle it all and mops very well, said one of users I met. The Submarine's mopping attachment has also received accolades for its efficiency in handling both wet and dry messes. So let's give a room the bad and downright hilarious too. Some users have expressed concerns about the vacuum's weight and ergonomics. The necessity to continuously press the trigger during operation has led to discomfort for some. Others ones have pointed out the design flaw in the dirty water tank. One of them humorously remarked, "The dirty water tank is not fully sealed and, as it gets full, it can spill. It's like the vacuum is marking its territory." Overall, the Dyson V15s Detect Submarine offers advanced features that enhance cleaning efficiency. However, potential buyers should consider its weight and the ergonomics of its design and maintenance requirements. So if you have or know more about this vacuum, leave a comment and tell us what you think about it, and if not, click on the link below. You will be directed to the website where you can buy the product. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. Stay tuned for more laughs, leaks, and legit reviews.